Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Hedera. In this video, we will talk about the sharks of the market, the future of this cryptocurrency, and its prospects for the short and long term. Hedera hashgraph announces mainnet launch of EVM-compatible smart contracts 2.0. Upgrade to Hedera's smart contract service includes Solidity smart contract integration with the Hedera token service, along with increased flexibility, performance, and scalability. Dallas, Texas, February 3, 2022. Hedera hashgraph, the most used, sustainable, enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy, today announced a significant upgrade through the mainnet launch of the Hedera smart contracts 2.0. The development will integrate the Hedera smart contract service with the Hedera token service, HTS, along with other significant improvements. Vera Kunz, Vice President of Product Marketing at Hedera hashgraph, said, "The deployment of Smart Contracts 2.0 is a huge step in the right direction for developers. Smart contracts play an integral role in building the trust layer of the internet, and similarly, provide significant opportunities for the continued advancement of DeFi and other facets of our industry. Integrating Smart Contracts 2.0 onto the Hedera token service makes life easier and more flexible for developers and their end users seeking to tokenize and transfer assets on the network. The Hedera Smart Contract service is EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, compatible and runs Solidity, a programming language used by 30% of all WEB3 developers. Hedera Smart Contracts 2.0 equips Solidity and EVM-compatible smart contracts with the versatility of Hedera's tokenization infrastructure by supporting native Hedera tokens and NFTs with the Hedera token service. This creates heightened flexibility for users, allowing developers to assess the usability of smart contracts and incorporate the capabilities of hashgraph-based tokenization to their programming. Developers utilizing Smart Contracts 2.0 are offered low, predictable gas fees facilitated by the hashgraph consensus algorithm. Hedera can process up to 15 million gas per second, the same as what Ethereum aims to achieve in an entire block. Transactions associated with Smart Contracts 2.0 also benefit from Hedera's high transaction speeds and security standards. The Hedera network utilizes hashgraph to achieve asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, ABFT, which is the highest grade of security possible for a distributed ledger, and means that no single person or group can prevent the algorithm from reaching consensus. The Hedera Smart Contract service is carbon negative, thanks to Hedera's commitment to sustainability as a core value and network advantage at Layer 1. Hedera's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism has been proven to consume vastly less energy per transaction than other protocols. Hedera Smart Contracts 2.0 comes at a significant time for the organization, following the recent announcement of the move to open-source hashgraph, to mark the Hedera codebase open source in its entirety. Once open source, any user or developer will be able to use or modify the underlying code and contribute to the network. The next news, Hedera hashgraph HBAR develops bullish divergence inside descending wedge. Hedera hashgraph has been falling since reaching an all-time high price of 57 cents on September 16. On November 12, the price made another attempt at moving upwards, but was rejected by the 43 cents long-term resistance area. The downward move led to a low of $0.187 on February 24. Measuring from the all-time high price, this amounted to a decrease of nearly 64%. Technical indicators are neutral, leaning on bearish. Both the RSI and MACD are falling. While the RSI is currently below 50, the MACD has yet to cross into negative territory. If this occurs, it would be a strong sign that the trend is bearish. Bullish HBAR pattern. Despite the bearishness from the weekly time frame, the daily chart looks more bullish, since HBAR has been trading inside a descending wedge since December 4. The descending wedge is normally considered a bullish pattern. Therefore, a breakout from the pattern would be the most likely scenario. In addition to this, both the MACD and RSI have generated significant bullish divergences, green lines. Such occurrences very often precede bullish trend reversals. If a breakout from the pattern transpires, the closest resistance area would be found at 33 cents. This target is both the horizontal resistance area and the 0.382 Fib retracement resistance level. Wave count analysis cryptocurrency trader at 24 crypto tweeted an HBAR chart showing that the price is correcting inside what is likely wave 4. It seems likely that the decrease from the all-time high price is an ABC corrective structure, white, where waves A and C had an exact 1:1 ratio. The sub-wave count is shown in black, and we can see that wave C developed into an ending diagonal. Such formations are usually succeeded by a significant and swift movement in the other direction. Therefore, the wave count supports the findings from the bullish divergences and indicates that HBAR breaking out above the wedge is the most likely scenario. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025? Or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can before jumping to conclusions and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecast for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher.